One of the things that we've been seeing a lot of, which is becoming more and more prevalent because the CFPB, which was like a line of defense that was kind of an umbrella over the entire debt collection industry, has been fragmented. And the fragmentation has allowed debt collectors try some things that could be skirting the law. And recently we had a client come to us, and she was being garnished for a judgment that was 36, yeah, 30, a little over $36,000. And they had started garnishing her wages at her job. And she saw one of the videos on YouTube, and she was like, is there anything that you could do? And we said, just send us your documents and we'll review it and we'll let you know if we can help you. We're going to tell you up front what we can help everybody in every situation. Let me rephrase it. We can help everybody in every situation. It's just that the type of help that your specific case might require, you may not be willing to accept it. So basically, if you're being sued at the beginning and you have not missed your deadline, you have no default judgment. That is like the prime time to respond. All you got to do is you could go to summonsmaster.com and upload a PDF file of your summons. It'll create that response for you with a defense to potentially win your case. That's step one. But step two is if you have a default judgment, there's certain things that we can look for, but we can almost guarantee if we say yes with taking your default judgment case, we guarantee that it will get the default judgment, or the whole case will be overturned. We won't take it unless we can. And then the next step is if we don't believe that we can get that turn around, that default judgment, we have a settlement division that can help you, so you could be able to resolve that with either a lump sum settlement offer or with payment arrangements that you can afford. So let me clarify. The lump sum settlement offer, the reason why the reason why you would come to us to do it is because you want to keep them out of your business. You don't want to, if they ask you a certain question about your finances, about your job, about your house, about your cars that you own, any real estate or anything, and you're the person, and what are you going to do? Are you going to say, I don't know? That's why you need to have someone in the middle that could speak for you directly. Now, we don't send letters to the attorneys. We speak to those attorneys over the phone, and we go back and forth, and we push for your benefit. It's not about just going in there and, hey, talking to the attorney and trying to be buddy with them and how you doing, what school did you go to, and law school no, it's about getting you a resolution that you can afford to live with, if it's going to be a lump sum settlement or if it's going to be with a payment. Now, some people have said, well, payment, I can arrange payments. My company specializes in pushing hard to get a settlement with payments. Settlement with payment. There's companies all over the place that could do, everybody can set up payment arrangements for you. And even if they don't want to accept a settlement with payment arrangements, because you got to admit the leverage is on their side if you're going to do payment arrangements, because they got to wait for it. Reason why they do lump sum is because they don't got to wait for it. That's why they'll do that settlement for less. But if they got to wait for it, they're like, hey, well, we might as well get the right amount. There's a specific technique that we utilize to even be able to get that done. And we have been able to get clients a settlement with payments. Settlement with payment. Not to say that it can happen all the time, but we've been able to get it when other people were not able to get it. So if you need help, you got a debt collection lawsuit at the beginning, you have a default judgment, or you have a judgment, you're being garnished, you need to settle, you don't want to have them all in your business, what I want you to do is go to www.summonsmaster.com. for this person, so let me go ahead and close the loop on this person here. She was already getting garnished. She came to us. We looked at her file, her lawsuit, and we found something that was incredible. So it was so much of a violation of the law that the judge instantly canceled out the judgment order, put an order to give all of the money back, which they have taken about $3,900 of her paycheck over a period of time, $3,900, ordered to give all of that back. If she wants to move forward, we could even create the documents to sue that debt collection attorney. And just so you understand, this was an original creditor. So when you are being sued, when anyone is getting sued, it's more than just getting sued. They have to prove their case. They have to put forth the documents the right way. They can't lie about anything. They can't skirt the law and go around and do things. This company did some crazy stuff, but they got caught, and we were able to get her all of her money back, and the whole judgment now is gone. So now this attorney has to deal with their client to let them know why this whole thing got canceled out. Like the whole judgment, everything is gone now. So if you need help with with debt collector lawsuits at the beginning, default judgments or judgments, debt settlement, we can help you. Go to www.summonsmaster.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes It Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. Subscribe to the channel, post your questions and comments. There's the script in the description box. I have the links to everything that I'm offering. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.